Final checks complete on Bull 1. Harness secure. Vitals are good. Roger that. Chopper's approaching the LZ. Stand clear.
Ascending the ridge now, pilot.
Here's a nice apple for you. Try these sweet carrots, they're good. The protein intake seems optimal according to these charts.
Yes, and the body condition score on this one is excellent. We should maintain the current diet.
All parameters are within range, Doctor. Excellent. Finalize the health certificate. He is approved.
Processing the authorization now. Check the liver enzyme panel results when they come through. Already on screen, Doctor. Levels are stable.
Molars look good, slight wear on the upper left third molar, but healthy overall. Record as grade 2.
If you look at the skeletal structure here, the integration is nearly complete.
Yes, the results align with the projected growth metrics.
The color Doppler shows excellent vascularization here.
Agreed, the flow looks strong and healthy.
The fractal analysis confirms the growth rate parameters. Reroute the volumetric data stream to the central archive.
The Brahman curve provides the structural integrity here. If we smooth this transition point, the aesthetic improves.
That adds complexity to the milling process, but it is feasible.
Manifest confirms the grade A shipment. Move it to sector Gamma.
Affirmative. Routing now.
Check this section here with the magnifier.
Scanning now. The data looks consistent with the grade A standard.
The 3D rendering is highly accurate. We can proceed with the luxury handle design.
Agreed. The hologram stabilizes at 99.8% fidelity.
The cycle count just passed 50,000 on rig 4.
Yes, and the stress metrics are holding steady. We're good to finalize the report.
Look at the vortex visualization around the canopy. The drag coefficient remains within tolerance. The handle connection is secure.
The water repellency is exceptional. Indeed, the Grey Brahman handles are completely dry. We can approve the final performance.
Look at the detail on the horn.
It's absolutely stunning. The polish is exquisite.